YouTube also are right with us, right? So, and I want to appreciate those who've been joining us. It's a great moment, and I think it's quite phenomenal, in my own opinion, that we all are here together, making so much impact and learning together. The bigger market actually got as low as 55K, and if you have been following all of our discussions on our live pages, I tell you, you wouldn't be caught, aback, or I mean, you wouldn't be taken by surprise. Because I mean, if we actually go check the historical price Bitcoin got to, while we're about closing the month of what's it called, August, right? I think obviously we all can see the market got to very very critical height of critical low, sorry, of $52,500, and that was something some dudes would have been saying it's not possible, and I think we all can see how practically that happened. And this is in no way a strategy to make us lose sight, right? Make us lose sight of our belief, right, as regards the market bullishness. We are very much still bullish, and by we I mean I inclusive. I'm very much still bullish on the market, and I think we of all people still very much affirm that reality, and that is actually one of the factual facts, right, about all of this, and the truth that we dare not take for granted, in all honesty. And so I'm going to be trying to set up the live red pocket for those of our streamers. And once again, I want to welcome everyone of us. It's the first time I'm going live on any platform in a long time, right? And the reason is because I actually welcome my daughter. So, and that is one of such beautiful moments that I think I do not tend to joke with, undermine, or in any way make cheap, right? So that's pretty much the basic reason. It's been a whole lot. That was on the first of the month of September, and me trying to do this is because it's quite important for me to take work also serious, while I've placed a very important priority on my daughter and of course my wife. So I'm married, if you are just getting to know that, and that's very 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 important. So now, coming back to this moment, I think we are in a very very important market, and I think it's really, and by me saying really, I mean yes, it really calls for a lot of concern. And I mean, I would begin to make more explanation on that. Like for example, you are actually at this point still very indecisive. Are we bullish or bearish? Where exactly are we headed? What exactly is the market doing? I really can place an undo on the market, blah 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 blah. And you're talking like myself, and you are possibly lost to $100. I think this stream is for you, so I'll tell you to please come closer so we could make a very very important art to art talk that would in a way corroborate and of course encourage your attention, your decision, and of course influence your perspective as to what exactly it is you want to do. So if you see hanging around, please drop some greetings and say GM everyone. The red packets are going to be coming up. We've been having network issues. It's just that the live session has been just going, and I think it's I wouldn't say crazy, but interesting. So some first 2,000 folks I'll try to follow us will actually get to share a pool of 40k BTTC tokens, right? So not too much, but of course some memes, or some, I don't know if I'm going to be calling them, some shit coins to appreciate your patience and of course commitment to joining us right here. So I'm going to be going through every of our live platforms, including YouTube, to see that everyone who has been here with us are actually welcome. Queenzo, welcome. Zorav, welcome at everyone. So I think that is some forms of greeting for everyone who is here. So I'm gonna be going to every other platform. So let's drop this lucky crypto red packet to appreciate everyone who is still right here with us. We have some yeah, we're gonna be distributing this. Thanks for streaming today. So I am just going to be giving that off and appreciating our folks for joining me on the stream platform today. And that's me being very very honest. So You want to exercise patience, wait around while you all have bunch and lots of red packets or price pool to claim. So we're gonna be having a lot of talk. I'm gonna be hunting gem coins today. I'm gonna be doing some back testing analysis. Please, I want you to drop more likes, more comments, more greetings in the live rooms if you're there. And I'm also gonna be trying to put this link of what I'm doing on Telegram, platform, all of that, what have you, and right, and yeah, on X probably. So I'm gonna be writing this: need a gem coin to hunt or bag with your last box. So I'm trying to make an invite for those who want to come join us right here. So then heading, then hop in this stream, so then up on this stream. So that's gonna be it. So I think we have made ourselves clear on the emphasis, which I think we want to make. So this is ICO drops. I know there is also one known as crypto ranks, which I am probably going to be using also. Yeah, crypto rank to to find gem coins. I think that's very much important, right? As that's going to be helping us to spot gem coins. And by gem coins, it includes pre-sales and what have you. I think we need to be very, very strategic and smart as we see a whole lot of thing, right, playing around across our faces, and as we are trying as much as possible to, oh my god, all right, as much as possible to make, all right, add to story, to make the most of this particular information, so that following this live session, I guess we would definitely want to make some moves that would yeah, make some moves that would characteristically help our what do I how do I call it, characteristically help our buyers as to what exactly we want to be doing as regards this trade, and also influence our decisions as to what exactly we're going to be doing with our last box. Because I think it's not out of place to state the fact, that's a word, to state the fact that we are about making a very critical, and by critical I mean yes, critical, we are about making a very critical decision with our last box, and I think it calls for intentionality, sensitivity, and that's pretty much it. So I think we are at that point. 7K is not some jokes, and of course I think there are gonna be like some pre-sales coins, some things that we can actually make do with in the course of this moment, So let's see. If you're in this live session, please drop some greetings and let me see you in a way, right? Making the live room very great. I'm going to be going through the live rooms and then having back and forth to see how we are coping. So I think we have a couple of new followers, and I think I'm going to be welcoming the people who've been here. Drop some likes, some emojis and all of that, so you could actually be a part of what we're doing right here. So let's have the whole bubbling discussion. So let's start with Bitcoin. I think that's gonna be super great. If you do not mind, right? If you do not mind, I think that's gonna be like super great. So let me also add this on my Telegram story so that I can actually have folks. Oh my god, what is this? All right, exactly. So I want to drop this link. So yeah, no, let me delete it. So yes, I think we're gonna be having like that, and I want to make that setting done. So this is picking up 100K, and I want to go back a weekly time frame, as that time frame is very great and important popping now. So I'm gonna be making people come join us. Cancel. Let me look and put some audio podcast sound and help people, allow people to come join us. Yeah. All right, we are cool. So here you go. So guys, look at this. There's a weekly time frame candle playing around. And what do you think is going to be happening right here? Be very honest. So you've been seeing a green candle is, a blue candle, a black candle, that's the buy candle and the sell candle. Black representing sell and blue representing buy. So they've been alternating each other over the long time. What you've been seeing is a high and a low, telling you that the progression right now is quite bearish, only if the market proves otherwise. And by proving otherwise, I mean it's going to be taking out 70k. At least once 70k is taken out, we can actually begin to assume, conclude, and yes, so come to the fact that we are very much still bullish. Other than that, I think we might just be playing around. Let me try and check our platform here and see how the engagement has been, so we can actually have some greatness. So if you're like me and you know that you do not have so much funds to play around with in the market, and you also want to be profitable with a realistic ROI, at least in a monthly time frame, imagine you having a 10x on a $100 investment on an, is it A or on? But on a $100 investment, imagine you getting that. I think you want to wait to the very end of this video and take important steps you're going to be taking. We would be embarking on the journey, right? Probably in the next 20 days, probably. I really hope I could actually come on live session in the next 20 days, but if I don't, I'm going to do as much as I can. That's a promise. So now let's come back very much here. Now think of this, everyone, for a moment. Over the week, beginning from Q1 March 2024, Bitcoin has been on its downtrend, and I begin to ask myself, why will this take this long, right? Why will it? Let me not use a triangle. Let me not use a line. Let me use a triangle, and maybe a diagonal triangle or a rotated triangle, something like this. Yeah, I think this is very nice. Why will the market take this long? And okay, I'm just yeah, so this is, no, there you go. Now this is interesting, and I tell you, the span of this is some, I don't know, let's just bring it more compact. Exactly. So some February the 19th to here, let me put here to September the 9th, about 10 months, am I right? No, about 7 months long. Now take note of that, and let's go back in history. And my question is, why would the market take this long if we're still going upward? A big question I've not been able to find an answer for. Now, and I've been thinking about this right now. We always have a 2-year bull run. I made this very long analysis in the previous video I made. So once again, you're welcome. Welcome, Dinesh. Welcome, Dinesh. So I'm going to be dropping some quizzes. I really wish we have our rare packet function restored on HTX. I've been waiting for, this to be reenacted. Once it gets reenacted, I think our streamers on HTX are going to be having to share with and share off our, what's it called, our red packet. But while that is still in incubation, I guess we would have to drop my engagement. If you're coming live for the first time, my name is Algio. Drop GM. So let's have every one of us dropping GM, drop some greetings. Welcome everyone, and I think that's very much very proper. So okay, so I'm gonna be saying welcome everyone. That's what I want to do. So I'm waiting for some of my friends on our Binance Live, and I hope they also can drop their greetings. So well, while we are gonna be checking out on them and seeing that they are also engaging, we're gonna be drawing to our quiz. We do that mostly. So now over the years, we always have this bear market that spans about 18 months about. Am I right? Is it 18 months? I think something like that. But the bull run has been 2 years. 2 years after bear market. 2 years bear market. Then we are expecting a 2-year bull run. And my question is, how we done? Because this is the beginning point of this bull run, 2022 December. I tell you, that's when it started. Guys, that's where it started. And it's been from now by December 2024, that makes it 2 solid crazy year. And my question to myself And the market probably in a in a retrospect is, have we had this bull run? Do we still have some moment in this bull run? Hello Kaya. I'm greeting everyone that's joining. So let's do some quiz. I'm gonna be asking what chart I'm on. The answer is BTC. If you've been following, you know how it goes. And of course, you do not want to mince words. So I've just dropped the answer is BTC. It's been a long time, and I hope those of you who are regular streamer knows how it goes. I've dropped the answer in the live comment section, and you want to answer the question well. So I guess we need to do this first with 50k. BTC tokens and see some 10% having to win of that price pool in some 50 seconds. So what chart, what market chart am I on? If you're looking at the screen, I think you will know the answer. And you've got 30 seconds to do that. So of course, you'll know your answers are in capital letters. And I think there's gonna be for like 15%. What am I saying? 10%, that's better. So once we got 10%, let me just make it 60 seconds. 60 seconds is too much. 30 seconds, then if you can actually have the answer. We're back in our discussion. So the bull run, which we are as supposedly into, seem to have passed a whole year and a half, right? And making us to see the possibility that December this year 2024 might be the end of it, or at worst Q1 2025. And lot of questions are beginning to well up in my mind, guys, and that's the truth. Hello, Ruby me. Hi. I mean, nobody's getting the answer. Only one person. One person has gotten the answer. That's Vidurav. It's been a while, boss. I'm just saying, hi. Nasadamuk. The answer is a capital BTC. It's BTC, exactly. So 2 persons. You have 5 seconds more to go, and then 4, 3, 2. Oh my god. 1 second's over. So how many people got 4 persons? Okay, oh, fine. I think Vidurav got the most, and some folks also got some nice share. So you want to be around the stream, you want to be following, you don't want to be rushing anywhere, right? If you want to get these airdrops we've been sharing, and you want to pay attention to the answers by sticking around, learning, and of course, heading, because it's just more like a P2E, no, not P2E, a hell to heal, learn to hand. So you've got to learn if you were hand. So, and that's pretty much how we go about it here, right? So guys, we are still very much together now. So we're back. Now, what do you think is happening right here? It's been a whole lot, and I actually wrote it up perhaps for some 4 months ago. I keep thinking about the market, and I keep asking myself, what is this? Or probably we've been having some back and forth on the market, indecisions, and I don't know what we've got to call that. But in all honesty, the market already beginning to give us a clue that we know what exactly it is we're going to be doing. Meanwhile, I think we need to go beyond narrative and look exactly in time where something similar to this has happened and ask yourself real questions. Don't be sentimental. Face the fact and face it heads on. Now, what's the fact? Come here with me. We currently have a lot of institutions in this market, right? Yes. And how is that really going to be impacting the fate of cryptocurrency? Well, in a very, very large space. Why? I'm still very much bullish till November and December because we have the US presidency election coming. And I tell you, the strength of fundamental news and its impact on crypto markets, not just crypto market, but every financial instrument, stock, crypto, forex, indices, cannot be undermined. I'm telling you this so you could take notes of this because we might be expecting some 4-month bull run, and then we have a very massive 8-month bull run that takes Bitcoin to 190k before we come to the mid of 2025. So I'm saying this so you can know that, see, this is a game of probability, and you must treat it as such while you are taking important decisions that would actually inform, all right, your idea of investing and your strategy of what you've got to do. Okay, now back with me. So now we've understood that we always, right, using the word always carefully, we always have this 2-year bull run, right? Let me get some songs, background, what have you under this old thing so we can actually keep going. I'm sorry. Okay, so I think we're gonna get some acoustic sound under that. All right, so guys, we're here back, so please stay along with me. Now, this is it. We begin to wonder, and I also begin to wonder what exactly could happen, right, when and if Donald Trump wins this election. Because I think it's one of those candidates, and because this is part of our discussion, that would be in support, right, of crypto investment, right? And now let's come back. Now, you're already lost. Now, we would assume that there are a lot of probabilities. Anything can happen. We can go upward, we can go downward. But on a monthly time frame, what I'm going to be seeing right here is very, very simple. Assuming I close all of these things, and you see, right, a large proportion of this fair value gap here has been taken, and there are possibilities we just continue upward. Right now, let's come back to the drawings, right? So, and all of this is beginning to make me think and think and think, and of course we can see come here 45k before going upward. So whichever way, all of this still find some forms of consistencies. Now think of these guys, that the market still has some consolidations to make before going upward. 1, 2, we have a whole at least 4 months of proving the market bullish or being bearish. 2, 3, there are possibilities, right, of spotting pre-sale coins that could actually make you a lot of profit, or low market cap tokens that would make a lot of money. One of which is what we're going to be hunting for on coin market cap, coin, crypto rank, and ICO drops. I think I'm going to debate in the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes before we go little close today. If you enjoy this post and this is your first time of joining my stream, try to like this post, right, because that would allow the algorithm to recommend this to another person, right? And I think it's about time for us to get our YouTube platform to some 1k followers. We're still struggling with 120. We're somewhere around 114 exactly. So okay, now here we are. So, and we want to look into coins that are actually new. Yeah. I think these are the new ones. These are the active. This is the active one on ICO drops, and this is the upcoming ones. Right now on coin market cap, we want to look for the ones that are of low market cap and probably on the maybe AI, or let's say because memes are the ones that can actually give you an easy 10x actually, and some other tokens, right? In the month, really, in the month of September. I'm just saying that Fetch.ai have rebranded to Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, and that's one very, very crazy big name. So Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and establish. Okay, they've collaborated to establish super intelligence. Oh, it was Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, Agix, and Ocean Protocol have collaborated to establish the Super Intelligence Alliance. All tokens will be consolidated to create a universal SI. So all of their tokens, interesting. The combined market cap is 3.3 billion. This is, guys, this is now beginning to change the AI narrative. So if you get over to the market right now, we can see this. It's still more like Fetch. That's the name. How about Agix? I'm coming. Let me check for Agix and see if Agix. So SingularityNet is not there and Ocean is not there. Let me look for that. So Ocean Protocol 2002. That means, wait, it's still there. How about Agix? I'm trying to understand what. Okay, I think people already. I think they already rebranded, so that's why the number is that low. So guys, the thing is this now, SI, or whatever the name is of SI, ASI is gonna be like the new name of this token. So I think it's gonna worth it. I think it's gonna worth it in my opinion, on the long run, if you do not mind. Let's have some quizzes. I hope you all have been listening to what I've been saying for the past few moments, and I hope you all have been paying attention. So let's look at some low market cap tokens. Signally, this one has a market cap of 140 million. If this one goes to 1 billion this month, that implies it has made some easy 9x seamlessly. Hi. I've been seeing some old friends dropping some greetings. Hello, is this Romania? What country is this? I really wish I could have an in-app translation of these comments that most people drop for me, and yeah, and that's gonna be like helping. Yeah, so that's Russia. All right, greetings from Russia too. Hey, thank you for the greetings. Hello and welcome. And so yeah, I've been hunting for the coins right now that we can actually use to give us an easy what do you call it, easy 10x. And most of this is going to be like under $10 million market cap, and they have a very strong narrative, and then you have some very solid expectations from them, you know what I'm saying. And the teams already have been building a property, they're new, right, like this year. So come with me, let's look at the crypto ranks. Also we can be looking at ICO drops. So guys, let's look at the ICOs, right? ICOs are the ones who can actually have an easy 10x, right? So yeah, easy 10x, I tell you. So, and the ones that are done outside exchanges most times, right? So sometimes you can actually have more. There was one that was sweet. I actually did with 40 USD, and I got like 1,000. That's crazy. You just imagine I get that, something like that now. So those are the ones you want to be looking out for, right? So so we're gonna be looking for tokens that are going to be sold. The jar, this one gonna be, it's ended. I don't know what exactly they're trying. I'm gonna use filters and active. These are ideas. So there's not AI. All right. So there's I want to do some quiz, and I want you all to pay attention. So the platform I'm on is CryptoRank. The answer, let me write that for you, is CryptoRank. All right, so I hope you all have been listening to this. You're gonna be having the quiz right now, and I really hope everyone's gonna be listening to that. So we're gonna be having like some 25,000 peps. What platform am I on? So I hope you all actually get to answer these, right? So I've given everyone the clue right now, and that's the platform I'm on. It's a platform where you spot what do you call this? It's a platform where you spot new gem coins, and that's what I'm looking out for. Look at this one now. The name is tagged Play Peak DeFi. The market cap. Okay, this one is still ongoing to 25th. It's still ongoing to 17th, and I think people's funding and response to funding is quite low. But of course, let me check out some of them and see which one again is going to be like better. Aside from trading, I know they are the best way to actually get an X is going to be like a pre-sale, ICO, or a very crazy low coin. I've been looking at MEXC, and for a while right now, I think MEXC has been on my eyes. I don't think MEXC is on Binance, but I tell you, MEXC is on HTX, right? So yeah, so this coin can actually easily rise all the way to this point, and I don't know if it goes like some 200%. I don't know how many X is that. Is that 2x? Okay, that's like some 2x. So I hope people are getting that. People are not getting this answer. Only one person have gotten the answer. Crypto rank. You have your space. Only one person, and then there's oh my god, 3 persons. 25 seconds more to go, and you'll pull it for like some 15 persons. You have 20 seconds more to go, and only about 5 persons have gotten the answer right. 18 seconds to go. Crypto rank, Sigaterios, you got it right. So why are people answering Binance? People are not staying over on the stream. Anyways, so people are getting it better. 6 seconds to go. Only 6 persons have gotten it right. Then you have 3, 2, 1, go. Then only 7 persons. Only 7 persons got the answer right. That's interesting. Isn't that interesting? I think the person that got the most is Nasa Dalmuk. Cool. Buddy, you got the most this time around. Isn't it? I mean, a few people that actually participated. Madu, whenever I give the answer, it's in capital letters. I think everyone should actually begin to know this by now. So this is, yeah, I've been quietly watching this token. So you see, it made something like that looks like, you know, this. Let me show it to you. So as liquidity was taken here, and then you have this, you know, buy side liquidity or market structure shift. And then if you draw this from here like that, you get it sitting on the yeah, this point, right? From this point it's been up a many percent, you know, about yeah, 16%. It's not actually gotten in here. Well, into nice profit. So if you see it coming above here, that means all right. So and then we begin to see the proceeding. The candle closed bullish here on this daily candle, and so that gives me a very solid clue. It's either going on a leverage, you know, trade on this guy, or I just buy it on spot. Why don't I want to buy it on spot if I can go on a 3x leverage? Come to think of it, this is MEXC, and then it's 575 on rank. It's meme token, and I just feel it's very nice. Its market cap is $41 million. Right, and if you're going to 10x, that's like for 10 million, and that's something that can seamlessly happen. So just yeah, in a long time, just imagine now, right now we have on a 4 hour time frame the same thing happened on the higher time frame already happened right here, and this height is going to be taken out. Probably we're already seeing that right happening, and so it takes out this height. It's part of it, just come back here like this, and so we want to be looking at for a better opportunity to get on this MEXC trade. But I think if someone buys it on spot, it's very possible and most likely to have some 10x before the expiration of the bull market, provided we are still in a very solid bull market. So these are the active tokens I think we are watching right now. The ones that are active here on ICO drop, it's Balance, a gaming one, and the airdrop is going to be left in 6 days. The market cap is $30 million, and I don't just know people can actually get it 10x, right? So all right, so that's it. The ideal platform is that on the pre-sale, yeah, I think is that the pre-sale categories on virtual reality, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain for this fifth scape, and then IV Pay is on BNB chain. I'm just trying to see which one actually is having. Okay, this is a Balance. You have 6 days left for the expiration of the pre-sale. $30 million market cap was raised, and investors are some 17, you know, solid forks, right? So, guys, I don't know what would be the tendency of attempting to invest in this coin. The price for the ICO, I don't know. The funding round ended, but the airdrop is currently ongoing. The campaign. Strategy, you know, all of those things work, but that's what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for something that has to be like ICO or pre-sale, and that's a very solid date. So as of MEXC, I've given MEXC out, and I'm saying this is a very good coin. You can actually attempt buying, right? Yeah, provided we get a very nice entry. So I'm looking for an entry around here. That is just some 100% downwards, some 6% downwards. Hi, thanks host, thanks. It's been a long time we've had this discussion, and I think it's interesting. Hello, Psycast, another quiz. Okay, so I think it's interesting. So for me, MEXC with a 3x leverage is cool. Holding that for a long time gives me easy 10x. Yeah, so let's do the mathematics. So let me wait and see how MEXC is going to be, you know, responding to this angle. So I'm seeing MEXC going to break above this angle and come right here to have a little bit of sell, and if that happens, I'm going to be considering taking a buy position from somewhere here or here. And I just want to imagine I'm getting a long position from somewhere here, somewhere here like that, and I take this long position realistically to this height, right? So that gives me some, let me see. So I just, yeah, that 161% on spot, and then 3x would give me 161 point, yeah, 161% times 3, 161 times 3, that's like 4.8x, right? And that's almost 10x, and that implies I'm going to be holding that probably till we come to, let me see, probably if we come to this height or some, yeah, or the previous high, right, or the previous all-time high, at that point, if I get some 500% and I'm on like a 3x, I think I'll be right on a 15x, and that would mean my $100 is gonna be like giving me some 1,500 bucks. So I think it's all very feasible and possible. It's all dependent on how we think. I'm gonna be asking what chart I'm on, and the answer is monarchy. I'm telling you the answer right now, so you all can take note of that and make the most. So the answer is monarchy. So that's a quiz and the final one for today. It's almost 1 p.m. New York session, and I think everyone is actually going to be indecisive what exactly they're going to be doing. I think monarchy is going to be getting upward and of course come back down here, maybe something like that. Yeah, I think so, because now look at this, right? If you draw this also, you see monarchy just broke out of that funny trend line, and if someone has the boldness, you can actually enter from here, and I might just do that. Enter from here and take the profit right here. Just enter like a 3x leverage with my $100, right? I'll take the profit there. Yeah, I might just do that. So what coin is this? I'm gonna be what chart am I on? I'm on monarchy, so let me see what exactly everyone's gonna be doing. This is gonna be like for like 10 persons. If you're gonna be very smart, then I think you have to be very, very sharp. 10 seconds. What market chart am I on? Let's see how fast anybody can be with responding. So if you're very fast, then kudos to you, and if you're not, I'm saying all the best. So you have got 30 seconds. Let's make it 12. Let's make it some 25k tokens, or 28. Let's make it 15 persons. Then I could actually share of this if you're okay, so very, very fast. So this is a very, very big one, and I hope people can actually get to see this. So what I'm seeing right now is giving me a vibe that I can actually go long monarchy from here and put this stop loss here first, right? So very risky, because you can actually be expecting monarchy to right up here and come back here, but of course this is a break of trend line. So what I'm going to be doing like in the next 1 minute probably is me probably heading over to HTX, where I'm going to be taking this trade on monarchy, leverage trade, and I hope you all can actually join me on this. You can actually go buy monarchy also. So let me see who's going to be getting the answer right. So you all have 30 seconds to go if you can be so fast. Okay, you have 20 seconds more to go. 21 seconds. Nobody's already there. There's a big price pool and no one is getting the answer right. 3 persons, 15% maximum cap. 4 persons, 10 seconds more to go, and people are not actually getting on this. So I think we have the moment which I think we all have been waiting for. I'm probably gonna be making this trade on monarchy right now. So let me see. Whoa, interesting. Only a few folks got the answer right. I think that's gonna be like the last quiz. So what I'm going to do right now is a very, very funny one. Very, very funny. Let me check if I've got volume, right? So because there are lots of leads the market could give you, and you need to be so very careful. You need to see many things, right, before you draw your conclusions. So what volume do you see? There's accumulations right here. What makes me think this might be a breakout above and a what do you call this, right? Exactly. This might be a break above and a continuation. What if it's a deception? What if this is still what it is? Because it has not made so much clarity. So the market has a very funny way of making you feel it knows what it is doing, and all along it's all deception. So this is 1 p.m. and I think we've been up on this stream for some 45 nice minutes, and most probably I'm going to be calling it a close from this point. But, and again, I think it's clear what I think we're going to be doing. If the bias is not clear, there's nothing we're going to be doing. This is 1 p.m. New York time, and I think a lot of folks are going to be seeing this opportunity that the market is giving, right? So look at that, see? Right? So there is no clear volume happening here. And so questions arise in my mind, right? One of which is what exactly is going on. Am I sure we're actually very much bullish, or just is a moment for a bearish call? So there's an upwards, a up, a low, right? A up, a low, a up, a low. So this could probably be a low, right? a point to sell. So I'm saying that there are huge probability of me getting over on BTC short, right, and or just short in BTC, right. I'm thinking in a reversal. Thinking in a reversal. Thinking in a reversal what exactly it is I want to do, right? So I'm thinking we just might, I'm using the word carefully, might just see the market making a very strong narrative, right? So, and it calls for every level of carefulness. So yeah, so euro is selling. I miss this trade, and it's sometimes pain hurts me that I miss that trade, but whichever way, it is what it is, and I think we need to just move on, right? That's a word. So, and stay safe, right? Stay safe trading. So I think that's pretty much it. So what are you all seeing here, right? Oh, the market is bullish. It's recovering. It's going upwards. Nice. Stay safe, and you can find a spot to open a very nice shortened market. That's what I'm gonna be saying. And so my 10x will just be for now me watching the market and preserving my capital. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing right now for today. I still haven't found an ideal, right, or anyone yet, but of course I'm still quietly, patiently, somewhatly bullish on the market. So stay safe. Do not forget to stay safe, right? That's a word. So yeah, so that's the better way to put it. It's you staying safe, right? So all right, so peace out, stay safe, everybody. We can meet some other times again, and I think since we just have to keep meeting some other times, don't forget to keep subscribing and looking out for everything we're gonna be doing right here. So that's it. Good day. Subscribe. Bye.